today's video, I will be showing you what's inside my makeup bag or my kikay kit. So if you want to see what's inside, just keep on watching. So this is my makeup bag. It says Good Brows Await, and this is from Benefit Cosmetics. So pink lang yung front niya, tapos at the back, plain black, tapos may gold specks. Halos lahat ng laman nito, affordable makeup, cause this is what I bring when I travel. Ayoko yung nagdadala ng expensive makeup kasi baka mawala. So, ayan lang siya. Sobrang ganda ng makeup bag kasi when you open it, ganito siya. Ganyan siya pagbukas. So, kapag nakabukas siya, kita mo na lahat ng products mo. So, that's what I like about this. And kita nyo naman yung mga products ko dito. Careline, BLK, mga ganun. Wala man lang Benefit makeup dito kasi nga ayoko nagdadala ng mahal na makeup whenever I go out. So, this is the makeup bag I usually bring with me when I go to the province or I don't know, basta pag umaalis ako ng bahay. And konti lang yung products ko kasi yung essentials lang talaga yung dinadala ko. Kapag nakabukas, kitang-kita nyo naman yung Careline Glow Getter ko kasi it has all the products or face products you need. Meron na siyang bronzer, may blush, and may highlight. So, I really love this. 275 pesos lang. And ayan lang siya. Madali lang siyang dalhin kasi nga lahat na ng face makeup mo nandito na. This also acts as my eyeshadow na kasi yung bronzer color pang crease, tapos yung highlight color is for my eyelid. So, I really like this. It's a multi-purpose product. Isa pa dito is my powder. This is the 1028 Hold It Ultra Oil Control Powder Compact. I like bringing this kasi it's just small. And ano lang siya, press powder lang siya. It's easy to bring. It has a mirror as well. This one, I bought in Taiwan. So, medyo mahirap siya hanapin here in the Philippines. Maybe you can get it online. Pero, yung maganda pang powder na available here in the Philippines is the Vice Cosmetics Duo Finish Foundation. Minsan, yun yung dinadala ko. Pero, since mas maliit to, mas madaling dalhin, ito yung dinadala ko. And I just really like this kasi it's really nice for mattifying your face, for oil control. So, yeah, this is what I like. Pero, maganda rin yung sa Vice Cosmetics. And then, meron akong sponge. I got this sa Face Republic, yung kasama ng BB cream nila. Pero, mas gusto ko yung sponge sa All Covered by AnyCreator. I just don't bring that kasi baka mawala. So, dinadala ko na lang yung sponge na hindi ko masyadong gusto. So, ayan. It's just a pink sponge. Meron din akong pink from AnyCreator, but I just like using it here at home. I have an eyelash curler. This one, binili ko sa Miniso for 99 pesos. Super, super love the eyelash curlers from Miniso. This is one of the best eyelash curlers I've tried na mura. So, yan. And then, I have a blush and contour brush from H&M. I got this on sale for 100 pesos before. Pero, I think yung original price ito mga 399, 499. Sobrang mahal. Pero ito, nabili ko lang talaga for 100 or 200 pesos sa H&M nung nag-sale sila. And super love yung blush brush. So, yan. Since may ganito ako, meron akong dual-ended na brush for my blush and then for my contour. So, another brush is from AnyCreator, yung beginner brush set niya ata. Ito yung white and gold. So, meron akong crease brush. Kasi, ito yung ginagamit ko for this one, yung bronzer color. So, dinidip ko lang, nilalagay ko sa crease ko. And then also, maganda din to for highlight. This is actually a really nice highlight brush. Before I do my eyes, I just put it in the highlight shade. Tapos, ito yung pinapang-highlight kong ganyan. So, yeah, really love this kasi multi-purpose. And I bring this kasi nga, para eyeshadow and highlight ko na siya. For my powder brush naman, this is the powder brush I have. This is from Charm Essentials. I just got this for free in an event. Sobrang tagal na nito. Pero maganda lang siya kasi maliit lang siyang brush. Tapos perfect lang siya for this one. So it just mattifies my face. I just put it under my eyes. I don't have concealer on. I just have Chic product. So ito, pang powder lang siya ng face. Ganyan. Really love this. Multi-purpose din. Pwede rin for blush or for contour. But I have the H&M brush naman. So, I don't really need this for blush or contour. For, ano lang talaga, powder. Parang ang dami kong sinasabi. I have 2 mascaras. Yung for my top lashes, I use the Essence The False Lashes Mascara. Super love this. I just recently opened this kasi tinapon ko na yung old mascaras ko. I'm really strict now with mascaras. After 6 months talaga, tinatapon ko na siya. So, nagbukas ako ng bago and super love this. I also bought this in Taiwan. I don't know if meron to sa Philippines, but usually Essence mascaras are like 400 pesos ata, basta less than 500 pesos. Then, for my bottom lashes, if ever I don't wanna wear eyeshadow, nagbo-bottom lashes na lang ako, or nagbo-bottom lash mascara na lang ako, yung Careline Skinny Mascara. I really like this for my bottom lashes. Ayan lang siya. As you can see, you can't really see the wand kasi sobrang liit niya. Pero, perfect lang siya for your bottom lashes. This is, I think, 150 pesos. And you can find it anywhere na may Careline. So for my brows, I bring the Sunnies Face Lifebrow Pencil. I don't bring brow gel anymore. Brow pencil na lang. And mas gusto ko pa rin yung Benefit, but then yun nga, ayoko nagdadala ng expensive makeup. So this is like my dupe for my Benefit one, yung Precisely My Brow. So if you want to try that and you don't have the budget, you can use the Sunnies Face one. For my lip products, I have 2. I usually have a lip tint and a lipstick. So for my lipstick, what I bring is the Generation Happy Skin, My Lips But Better Ultra Matte Lippie. And nude color lang to. This is in the shade Courage. So ayan lang yung shade niya. Ayan lang siya, nude na color. So, I like bringing pinks and nudes for my lippies. Parang peachy nude siya na color. And I really love this. Gusto ko yung formula nito. And then, meron akong parang velvet tint. This is the BLK Soft Matte Mousse in the shade As If. So, meron akong pink. And I really like bringing this kasi multi-purpose siya. Pwede rin siya sa eyes, pwede sa lips, and pwede sa cheeks. And ito parang mauve red pink na kulay. Yeah, so I just really like bringing 2 types of lip products, and sometimes if I have like a separate bag, nagdadala pa ako ng different lipstick or lip tint. Basta pa iba-iba yung lip product ko. Usually marami talaga akong dinadala para may options if ever I'm out of town, or basta kung kailan ako magdadala ng makeup bag. So those are it. Those are the things I bring. I don't bring a lot of things anymore. Wait lang. Wait, I forgot my concealer. Wait lang, may kulang. So, ito, nakalimutan ko pala siya lagay sa kikay kit ko. I think ginamit ko kasi siya sa isang makeup tutorial. That's why it's not in my makeup bag. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I am in the shade number 10 Light. Maganda yung concealer na to. It covers up my under eye circles or my dark under eyes, and then also for pimples. Maganda to. So, yeah, I really love bringing this. As you can see, ang dumi ng packaging niya kasi gamit na siya. So, ito lang yung laman ng makeup bag ko. I don't bring a lot with me kasi usually kapag hindi ako nagme-makeup sa bahay, mas tinatamad ako mag-makeup. So, mas konti lang yung ginagamit ko. And, syempre, kapag nagpapack, yung essentials lang talaga yung dinadala natin para hindi tayo mag-overpack. So, those are some of my essentials. And, yeah, I just bring what I really need. I don't bring like extra eyeshadow palettes kasi minsan nakakatamad din naman talaga mag-makeup, and mas okay pa yung simple. So those are all the things I carry in this makeup bag. As you can see, maliit lang talaga yung makeup bag na dinadala ko para mas madali siyang ilagay sa travel bag ko or ewan. Pero ayan, those are all the things I bring. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this a thumbs up if you like it. Comment below what are your makeup essentials. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!